Hey y'all, I am Shay Cherie. Welcome to my channel. I have a quick video for you today. I have taken another step in my journey of cutting back on unnecessary chemicals, and I've done that by making my own powdered laundry detergent. I made this a couple of months ago and it's still doing pretty good in terms of volume, but I wanted to make some more and share the recipe with you, show you how I make it so it could be of some use to you as well. Let's get to it. I've got a big mixing bowl here and also a strainer. I've got a spatula and some measuring cups. I will have the recipe in the description below, and I'll also have it on the screen as we go so you can follow along. So the first step is taking a bar of Fels Naptha soap. Like I said, it's a bar of soap, so you do have to grate it. That is the most tedious part of the process. Once you get that done, it's just add, stir, mix it, good to go. So I went ahead and did that previously, and this is what I have after I grate. This is a 5-ounce bar of soap. So after you grate it, this is what it looks like. So we'll put this aside for just a moment. First ingredient is 2 cups of borax. And when you're measuring, it doesn't have to be exact measurements. We're not baking, so it can be roundabout. And I have this strainer because sometimes this comes out lumpy and I want to sift it so that my detergent is not full of lumps. Okay, it's about 2 cups. Next, 2 cups of washing soda. Two cups of baking soda. We'll do half a cup of epsom salt. As you can see, some of it is still in my strainer. I'm just gonna sift that through, try not to breathe in all the dust coming up. And I'm just gonna use my spatula to break up some of the clumps and get it through the strainer. Okay, we've got all of that sifted, and I'm going to add in the grated soap. I forgot to tell you, I do grate it on the smallest setting on the cheese grater, the one you would use to zest a lemon. That's because I want to have it as close to the same size as the powders that's in here. I just don't want big chunks of soap in my detergent, but it's personal preference, up to you. Use whatever side of the grater you want. So I'm just going to dump that in and give it a mix. Okay. Once you've got that mixed, you can be done at this point, or if you want to, you can add an essential oil to help give it your preferred scent. I have pina colada today. I like tropical scents, so that's what I'm going to be using. I don't have an exact measurement of drops. I go until the ancestors tell me that's enough. And then also I use essential oil drops on my wool dryer balls, so you don't necessarily need too much in here. But yes, you can go ahead and add scent to your soap if you'd like. And then go ahead and make sure that's well mixed and incorporated as well. Once you're done mixing, you can go ahead and pour it into your container. And that is it. I keep a scoop in my container just for easy measuring. I believe this is about like 2.5 tablespoons. You can use something similar to that for each load of laundry. And actually that's a pretty good amount for large loads as well. But that is it for the detergent. I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do in the comments below. Give the video a like. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel for more creative content. See you next time.